Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw an eagle. So let's get started. To draw this awesome eagle, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a soft curve that goes over the eye. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to draw a soft curve, about that long, and then I'm going to just lightly wobble another small curve and out. So it's just like a little wobble. Here, a little wave and comes out. And the reason we're doing that is because underneath this curve, we're going to fit the eyes in. So I'm going to come about right here and we're just going to draw as if we're drawing a circle. And I'm going to go around and bring it all the way back. So kind of just back to that first curve we drew. Then from there, we're going to come inside and draw another circle. Right inside. And then right here, we're going to add a highlight. So a circle and then shade this all in. There, we got the awesome eyes of our eagle. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to draw the beak area. So to make it a little bit simpler, I'm going to use this as my guide. I'm going to come to the top point right here of the eye, and I'm going to come out. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. We just want to go around the eye. So approximately right there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw a curve. Coming down, we're going to curve it down and then go around the eye. Then from there, I'm going to bring this up a little bit more and still curving out. And then from here, I'm going to draw the beak. So I'm going to bring this down. And this part right here is going to be, let's see here, maybe it's a little bit easier. I'm going to come right here and draw this shape right here. So there's a nice sharp angle right there. Then from there, I'm going to bring this down. So now we're about the same level. I'm going to bring it down a little bit more past this. And then we're going to hook it up. So we're going to go hook right here, nice and sharp. And we're going to bring it back to this center part right here. So let's go up and curve and bring it in there. And then right about here, we're just going to finish it off and connect just to simplify it. There. And then before I forget, I'm going to come right here and draw the nostril. So it's just this little curve right about here in this area. Then from there, now that we have the beak in, we're going to come right here and continue this curve down. And then on this side, it's going to go up. So I'm just going to come in right about here and we're going to go up, but not too high. So a nice, awesome, cool bird. So it's a little bit flatter. And about right there, I'm going to bring it up and down. So just remember, you don't want a high dome. You want a nice, soft, flatter curve. And then from there, we're going to bring this down. And we're just kind of following this angle. So about right here, I'm gonna go down. There. Awesome bird, right? From there, let's go ahead and flare this out a little bit. So we're gonna come right about here and we're gonna flare out the neck area. And let's go out on this side. And now that we're about the same level, I'm gonna go ahead and zigzag a bunch of feathers. So let's go ahead and go up and down. And let's see here, maybe here. And then as we come this way, we're going to start to curve more that way, zigzag. Back and forth. And then just kind of taper it in. There. Okay, so now that we have that separation, let's go ahead and we're going to continue this part, the breast area. and we're going to curve down. And then on this side is where I'm just going to put the wings. So right underneath here, I'm going to draw a big curve. So let's say about right here. Nice big curve, and I'm just going to fit it right underneath these feathers just to make it simpler to draw. And then we're going to pop it out, so it's going to be a little bit wider than the neck area. Draw this big curve, and then we're going to bring this down. So everything is still following this angle. And let's bring this down. And this is going to come in while this continues to come in. So notice this. So everything is at this curve. So then from there, let's see here. Let's work on these on the wing first. So I'm going to bring this down more because the eagle has really big wings, right? So let's say about right here. And we're going to bring this in. So just take a look, see how long. So your feathers, your wings need to be approximately about right here where the body is, so it tapers in. So then about right there, I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. So about right here, I'm going to draw one curve, then I'm going to curve again, and one more, just to give our wing some detail, feather detail, so it's not just solid curve. And then from there, let's see here, let's go ahead and finish this part. I'm going to bring this in a little bit more, and then about right there, I'm going to draw the feet, the leg area. So I'm going to come right here with a curve, round this part off, and bring it in, right in here. And then whatever space you have left, just finish it off with a curve. There. And then same thing on this side, the back, right about here. And bring it in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, before I forget, I'm going to come back right in this area for the other wing. We're just going to see a little part of it. That'd be nice just to add that. And then, so let's come right about here. We're going to pop it out. And just taper it in. There. Just pop it out and taper it in. There. Okay, so much fuller, right? So then from there, let's go ahead and add some detail. So I'm going to say about right here, I'm just going to add a curve, and then maybe another curve right there. And then for the feather detail, I'm going to start up here. Let's say about right here, I'm going to draw 4 curves, and it's going to go at this angle. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the bottom right about here, I'm going to draw 3. So these are much bigger. And taper it in, and then for some detail, 1, and then just tuck it in. So same thing here. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and we need to draw the feet. So these very strong claws, so I'm going to come right here, an angle into this space right here. We'll say about that long, and I'm going to draw the feet. So I'm going to curve. I'm going to curve down and go out. So I'm having the feet on the branch, so that's why it's nice and round and much simpler to draw. So 1, 2, and we're going to curve it. And about right here, we're just going to bring it in. And then same thing here. Just right next to it, so we don't have to draw too many details. And once again, just like the other foot, one. And just bring it in there. So then in this space right here is where we need to draw a branch. So I'm going to bring it out at an angle. Just going to wobble a little bit. And this side, and I'm going to get a little bit wider as we come out just to give it some cool perspective. So a little bit wider there. And then just imagine this is coming through, so about right here. It's all at the same angle and maybe a little bit thinner. So maybe just bring this out a little bit more so it looks more like a branch. And give it a little wobble. There, okay. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and we need to draw the tail. So in this space right here, whatever you have left, we need it also at this angle. So I'm going to say about right here. Just going to go ahead and tuck this in to this area here and here. I'm just going to put it about right there. We won't see the ends of it because I don't believe the tail is that long, but all depending on where your branch is. If there's still some space, you can draw the ends of your tail, but I think I'm just going to leave it like that. And then we're going to draw some lines in here. So I'm going to come here and then come back into this space and break it up for some feathers. Well, actually, you know what? Let's bring this in, sorry, because that would be weird. So let's bring this curve in here so that we know it does end. It's just that you don't see it, right? I forgot about that. So let's bring this down. And I'm going to come in here really quickly. Make sure I white this part out. And you want to wobble your branch here so that it doesn't look like a pole. And I believe that is pretty much it, except of course I need to add a heart somewhere, right? So let's just tuck it in like right here. Small little one right there to make this my Draw So Cute eagle. I really hope you love how this turned out, and I hope you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.